The Multicultural Playwright Program is a program for students from Years 7 to 12 who are from a refugee or EALD background. This program allows these students to share their stories through the development of literacy, expressive and performance skills. The Multicultural Playwright Program is a 3-day program, and teachers can apply to bring groups or individual students who have an interest in drama, playwriting and performance. Teachers participating in the Multicultural Playwright Program can attribute 12 hours of teacher-identified professional learning for Standards 1.3, 2.1 and 6.3. Registered professional learning opportunities can also be found on our Arts Unit website. As part of the program, a performance mentor is also available to come to your school to assist teachers to work with students and develop performance works prior to the 3-day workshop. At the 3-day workshop, schools come together and combine their performances to form a larger work. The final student work will be performed in front of an audience on the 3rd day, as well as being live streamed to participating students' friends and family in their home countries. The Multicultural Playwright Program is held in Term 2. Teachers' workshops are held in Term 1. To apply for these workshops, teachers need to go to the Arts Unit website, Drama Workshops Multicultural Playwright Program page. Applications are currently open, so we look forward to seeing you at a program soon.